Did you encounter a Samsung Galaxy S21 won't turn on issue on your device? If so, then this video guide will help you to troubleshoot the issue and make your phone run again. So let's go ahead. But before going to the fixes, don't forget to like, subscribe and click the bell icon to get the latest notifications. Method 1. Charge your phone. The main reason behind the Samsung phone dying and not turning on is maybe the device not being charged. So, in that situation, you should charge your phone because the phone's battery might have run out. Method 2. Do soft reset of Galaxy S21. Even you can do a soft reset of your Galaxy S21 phone and hopefully, it might get into working again. Simply press the power plus volume button for 10 seconds. This will restart your phone and have access to it. Method 3. Check whether phone's charging port is working fine. Your phone's charging port may be damaged, so check the charging port, and if there is any kind of dirt or debris, then remove it immediately. Method 4. Force restart your Galaxy S21 phone. Follow the steps. First, press and hold volume down plus power key for 10 seconds. Now when you see the Samsung logo on the screen, leave both buttons. If you see the logo, then the problem is fixed. Method 5. Use wireless charger. When the problem is with the charging port, then you can use a wireless charger to charge your device and check the issue. So you are suggested to use some best wireless chargers and see if the issue gets resolved. Method 6. Reboot Samsung Galaxy S21 in safe mode. It may happen that your Samsung phone not turning on after the update is due to some apps that are not compatible. Rebooting your Samsung phone in safe mode can help to identify and remove the apps. Method 7. Remove SD card from phone. The SD card on your phone can be the culprit, as a damaged SD card can cause several types of errors like app crashing or phone stops responding, etc. So if the problem continues, then you should remove the SD card. Method 8. Reboot Samsung Galaxy S21 phone in recovery mode. Follow the steps. First, turn off your device or press the volume up plus Bixby key and hold down power button. Here you will see Samsung logo. Now leave all the buttons. Now press and hold volume down to wipe cache partition. Next, press power key. Again, press and hold volume down key to choose yes and press power button again. Here you will see the wipe partition, and when it's done, press the power button. Method 9. Take phone to repair shop. If you still fail to solve the error, then it might be a hardware fault. It means that your phone needs technical help. In such a situation, you need to take your phone to the repair shop to fix the error. Method 10. Use professional repair tool. Apart from all the above solutions, I will suggest you go for Android repair to quickly fix the error. This professional tool repairs any kind of errors on an Android phone without any problems.